Hey guys, this is the Yitahome file cabinet. I bought this on Amazon and I really like how it turned out. It is actually going to be used to replace this little mini DIY TV stand that I had put together a while back. I just like the height of this. I like that it has the two sections in the top to put, gaming consoles or whatever decor you want in those cubbies. The bottom right is a nice area. You could possibly fit, a small printer or a little paper shredder. If it were up to me, I would probably want that to have a shelf in the middle just to split it out. The middle door, that's kind of handy if you want stuff stored away and not seen. That's what that would be for. And then the drawers on the side, pretty decent size. The bottom one is just a slide out. The top one is a slide out with a lock and key. Currently I have it locked, but comes with two keys. And there you have that. I'll have this listed on the description in the video. If you guys like this, definitely check it out. Well worth the money. Very sturdy, just a standard black file cabinet. But yeah, I think it's gonna do real nice as a little entertainment stand for a office. But yeah, definitely recommend. It took me a couple hours to build, but there's lots of pieces to this. This is another Yitahome product. We are actually going to use this guy for a nightstand, but this is one of their mobile carts for the kitchen. Nice 3 shelves, and we just put, a few baskets on here. Really handy, nice colors. It's a kind of a rustic wood, and then the black metal. Really love these products by Yitahome. Highly recommend them. This one will also be in the description of the video. If you guys like this video, hit that subscribe button, like button. Do everything to help me out. I got plenty more videos on the channel and always new things featured. Thanks for watching. Living with Perks. Peace out.